there, I'm Stacy. I'm a maker and creative from Manhattan Beach, California. This is where my day begins and my wall of inspiration.
Wood is my preferred medium for creating. I'm so lucky to do much of my work outside. Each product I make involves sanding, painting, and more sanding.
All of my products are handmade by me, one at a time or in small batches. My modern and beautiful gifts and decor are unique, aesthetically pleasing, and functional. They are products which make you feel good about giving. Thank you so much for watching.